Hello friends, day 113 and I've come from the other side of Kendal, and it always seems a bit strange when you know an area because Kendal always seemed miles away, but in fact I've done 22 miles today and I've done more than that other days, so it's all a bit odd really. But I've come along the line of the old Lancaster Canal, not in use anymore, but more of it than I remembered was in water. And so it was quite fun being alongside a canal again for a while, and it's been warm and sunny all day. So let's take a look at where I've been and I'll see you on the trail.